guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today, we finally got parts back from Forever Powder Coating. We've got the frame. Today, we picked up the axles and a few other components so we can actually press the radius arm bushings into the axles and put the gear sets in and get these ready. We can also put them under the truck after we do that, and then we're ready to put on the outer components, axle shafts, and install the radius arm. So for now, we're gonna get these radius arm bushings installed and move on to getting them put together. So let's do this, guys. Cue the music. Continuing working on Project Carnage this morning. We got the whole front end assembled last night. Now we need to press the bushings in the rear axle. We need to hone the holes out a little bit, get the powder coating out of them, and then press the bushings in. So let's do it, guys. Let's continue. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage, if I can speak. I'm super tired. Today, we're painting the engine compartment and the window frames with Spencer, Metalhead Customs. He came over to get us taken care of and get this all knocked out. Brought all his splaz. So we'll give you guys some clips and a little bit of time lapse along the way, but probably not too much crazy stuff because not too many interviews or anything because we got lots of work to do. Alright guys, we got all this masking tape to take off. Everything's dried up really nicely, so we can go ahead and get all the masking tape peeled. And we got to get the frame cleaned off. That'll put the hood back on that's over there. It's no space, guys, so I got to do what I can with the space I got. So, didn't film much while we were painting. The painters don't like being filmed. So we got that all done. So sorry about not being able to have some content there for you guys, but we'll get some more content as we unwrap it and we get ready to move on to assembling our NP205. So let's get Carnage put together, guys. We got about 7 days, so let's get moving here.
it.